Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. I want to apologize first for being so lost, I guess. Um, there was a lot of things going on. The shop's been doing great, and I had to do a move because of my work, my actual work, to Portland, actually. So I'm going to be doing a lot of work in Portland, but I come up the weekends to Washington. Anyways, we got a 2014 Nissan Rouge. We already did the diagnostic, and it needs a fuel pump. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna disconnect the battery first, and then we're gonna take the seat off. We got already the fuel pump and our little sign that we just made. So yeah, we'll be right back. We removed the seat. Now we're just gonna be twisting these locking tabs. Other way. Once we remove this, we're gonna remove the plug that goes here, and then we're gonna pinch this and pull this, and you guys know the deal. Now we're gonna twist the cap, and it's just gonna come off. This is removed already, and now we can just take it off. We removed the hose and the clip that was on the bottom of the fuel pump to put in the new one. Let's put the new one in. We also removed the old gasket, the green one, and now we're gonna clean it to make sure it's good seal before installing the new fuel pump. It's clean, and now we just put the new one in. It's a little hard with one hand, but there you go. This is the clip and the hose that I was talking about. So we're gonna put it, and then we're gonna slide it in. All right, the fuel pump's back in. We're gonna turn the car on before we put the seat on. We hook up the battery again, and we ta-da, magic, just like that. As always, like, share, subscribe. If you're in Portland now or in Tacoma on the weekends, Portland Monday through Friday, that's gonna be just a year job. All right, thank you, peace.